Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add your Shopify store URL to your TikTok bio. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm just going to be showing you guys how you can find your shop URL, and all you have to do after that is just copy it and paste it in your TikTok bio just as you would normally. You just have to edit your bio from the settings and then add the link. But the way that you find your Shopify link is you go into settings, and then you go down and click domains. And once you're here, as you'll see, this is the domain that I have. It's primary for the online store, and I don't have any paid domain. I'm pretty sure you do have a free domain like this in general. It just looks very ugly, but if you wanted, you could probably just pay for a premium plan and get a good looking domain from Shopify itself if you have a premium plan. And once you do, all you have to do is just literally copy over this link. And once you copy it, then you can go ahead and just paste it over in your TikTok bio. And once you're done with that, that should be pretty much it. And people can access your store from your TikTok bio. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.